Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Brown color, violet color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, pink color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. Letter A to L. Let's trace A for apple. A for alligator. B for ball. B for bat. C for cat. C for car. D for dolphin. D for duck. E for eagle. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fox. G for goat. G for gorilla. H for horse. H for house. I for ice cream. I for igloo. J for juice. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lion. L for lamp. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.